Kakapo is put in the family Strigopidae along with 2 species in the genus, and the birds are indigenous to New Zealand. Molecular phylogenetic studies suggest that the family Strigopidae is the basis of 3 other families of parrots in the order Psittacines and separated from them 33 or 44 million years ago. The ancestors of the Kakapo and the 2 nestor species separated 27 to 40 million years ago. Ornithologists originally felt that Kakapo may be linked to Australian land parrots and night parrots due to their similar coloring, but contrary to genetic studies, the mysterious coloration appears to be an adaptation to terrestrial habits that evolved twice in convergent evolution. Kakapo is a big fat bird. Adult birds can measure 58 to 64 centimeters long, about 23 to 25 inches, with a wingspan of 82 centimeters 32 inches. Males are significantly bigger than females with an average weight of approximately 2 kilograms, compared to only 1.5 kilograms for female birds. The Kakapo is the biggest species of parrot living today, bigger and heavier than the largest flying parrot. The Kakapo is the largest parrot in the world and the only one unable to fly due to physical limitations caused by its body weight. Despite this, they possess impressive leg strength and gripping ability, allowing them to bend trees and move around branches with ease. They can move from one tree to another by using their wings as parachutes. They use their wings to support their bodies and maintain balance while jumping, preventing them from falling to the ground. Some experts classify the Kakapo as a parrot due to its physical traits, although it has more similarities with owls. The front of its face stands out with a unique body shape similar to that of an owl. Not only in appearance, but the Kakapo also has a nocturnal nature, like an owl. They are more active and awake at night. However, Kakapo differ from owls, particularly in their diet. They are herbivores and rely on plants to consume a variety of plant matter, such as fruits, seeds, mushrooms, bark, and sap. They ingest nutrient-rich plant parts while separating out tough-to-digest plant fibers. Leaving inedibles and plants in this area is a purposeful behavior, not laziness. They plan to carry out this action. Their goal was to make their position known and inform other creatures about their eating activities in the area. They have an open and sociable character, showing no fear and interacting with people. They are highly interested in their surroundings. The cacao bird is known for living up to 90 years old, making it one of the longest-lived bird species in the world. One reason for their longevity is their slow metabolism, which allows them to live a calm and relaxed life, conserving energy during the growing process and breeding until adulthood. Kākāpō birds have a unique and sweet flavor, similar to the scent of flowers and honey. However, this aroma can attract predators who prey on them. Due to their inability to fly, they are vulnerable to predators who can easily track their scent in the wild. Kakapo birds have evolved to disguise themselves with feathers and freeze when attacked, but this does not always protect them from danger. The population of Kakapo birds has continued to decrease drastically, leaving less than 100 individuals. However, the Kakapo Recovery Plan has been successful in increasing their numbers. The program has significantly improved predator safety for adult species and their offspring, with an increase from 180 to 240.